Welcome to my channel, Unbiased. I am your host, Rachel, and today in this video we are going to be unboxing or unpackaging this from 12 Gone Apparel. Hashtag the squad. And I'm also going to be sending out some shout outs and thank yous because without the squad, I wouldn't be doing this video. They challenged people who have never done YouTube before to start a YouTube channel. So here I am. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, tag a friend, tell a friend. So I ordered this t-shirt, the Squad Constituent shirt from 12 Gone Apparel, and this is the packaging that it came in. And I am going to open it up so we can see what we have. And it's in another bag. Oh, sticker on the back. Y'all go follow 12 Gone Apparel on YouTube. Ooh, and it has his label inside. This is really nice. I'm gonna have to try to do this. I feel a video coming on. Okay. And yes, I'm the one who ordered the purple. That's my favorite color. This is really nice. And it feels good too. Okay. Come through, squad. And also, in this video, I wanted to thank Marcella's Way. Y'all go follow her on YouTube as well. I reached out to her to help me with this YouTube thing because I had no clue what to do. And she came through in the clutch, like for real, for real. And I just want to show her some love for doing that. And I appreciate you in a major way, Queen. And I also wanted to shout out the rest of the squad because, like I said, if it wasn't for the squad, I wouldn't be here. I would not be here because I don't like to be in front of the camera, but here I am. And that's the hashtag squad. You can follow them on Facebook. It's a Facebook group. And I want to give a shout out to Mike T's, 12 Gone Apparel, aka Seek Paris, All Things Styles, You Dig. She's on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. She's famous on TikTok and YouTube. And I think, okay, 12 Gone Apparel is on YouTube and Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. You can check all these people out on the same social media platforms. Mike T's as well. And did I say All Things Style? If I didn't, I'm saying it again. And you can follow him on Facebook and YouTube and Instagram, TikTok. But again, my name is Rachel. Thank you for watching Unbiased. I'm doing business as Unbiased Inc. So you can follow me, Unbiased Inc. on Instagram, Unbiased Inc. on Facebook, and Unbiased 76 because ink was taken on TikTok. And again, thank you all for coming to watch my channel. Like I said, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, share, all of the above. And I look forward to seeing you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.